We have an older Toyota here. Wait till you see the before and after videos on this. So, heavy sunburn on top, very hazy on the faces. The passenger is just like the driver's side, about the same. Wait till you see this transformation. Broward, headlightrestoration.com. We come to your home, office, place of work. Look at this. Crystal clear. How awesome is that? 754-302-0769. We come to your home, work, office. We serve Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Text us a picture of your lights. 754-302-0769. Right, located right in South Florida here.